Now let's see what happens if the hotel offers a different promotion, one in which the customer gets a discount on the third and fourth night after staying the second night. So the budget line for that one is going to be a little different, and I'm doing that on top of the previous one so we can kind of compare the two offers. After the second night, the slope of the budget line is going to be a little flatter than before because the price of the third and fourth night are cheaper. But then after that, you go back to the original slope of the budget line. So the complete new budget line with the discount until the end go kind of like that. So notice that Angela is actually not going to change her consumption from the one before. Angela is actually going to decide to consume for nights, regardless of the discount or of the buy three get one free. Now, how about Betty? Remember that Betty did not benefit from the buy three get the fourth one free. Well, the new budget line for Betty is going to be like that, and then after that, it's going to go back to the original one. So notice that Betty actually can now afford a higher indifference curve by staying at least 3 nights at the hotel. If she had stayed at I1, she would not be maximizing given the new budget line. So with the discount, Betty will in fact stay a third night. So what does this tells you? Well, it tells you that because the slope of the budget line with the discount is never 0, but it actually goes down a little less than before, the discount offers the consumers a little more options. So it's able to capture a little more different type of consumers. In the case of Betty, Betty actually is able to, or is willing to stay one additional night with a discount. Notice that for Angela, for people who have high value for hotel nights, it doesn't really make a difference. They will probably take advantage of pretty much any offer you give them because they like to stay at hotels. So it always depends on what type of consumer the hotel has. The manager should probably do a little bit of research before deciding which offer. But definitely the discount offer, if it costs the hotel to offer the same amount as the buy three get for three, will allow the hotel to get a lot more customers into the rooms than the buy three get fourth night free. Now, one thing I will say is that this analysis depends on the shape of the indifference curve you have drawn. I didn't make any assumptions on this part. I didn't tell you that assume that Betty will stay a third night or not. So if you have drawn the indifference curve for Betty in a different way, you probably end up with a different result. But again, that's not the point of the problem. The point of the problem is for you to practice the model and to organize your thoughts into your conclusions.